Hello! In this part of the course, we'll focus on visual design, which is how a product or technology appears to users. We'll start to create a mockup, which is a high-fidelity design that represents your final product. To create mockups, we'll use visual design elements and layouts. Elements, like typography, color, and iconography, are the building blocks for visual design. Elements are often arranged into layouts using methods like grids, containment, and space. Visual design is a massive world, and, at times, might seem overwhelming. So for now, we'll only be covering certain elements. We will explore layouts later in the course. Learning about visual design doesn't happen overnight. Professionals across many disciplines spend years learning how to apply what they've learned to their projects. I accumulated my knowledge of visual design from many places, like my work in architecture, graphic design classes I took for fun, and even from being on the job as a UX designer. This certificate program is just the start of your journey with visual design. After watching the next few videos, you'll have a solid understanding of some essential elements. One thing to keep in mind as you move through this part of the course: as we start to discuss visual design elements, like typography and color, we are getting into the field of user interface, or UI design. The fields of UX and UI design are closely intertwined and commonly mistaken for one another. I hope you're excited to get started. Let's go.